Hello there. Journey with us as we explore the enchanting landscapes, historic landmarks, and vibrant culture of the United Kingdom. A land steeped in history, drenched in natural beauty, and brimming with cultural diversity, the UK is more than a destination. It's an experience. From the cobblestone streets of quaint villages to the bustling city life of London, from the ancient standing stones of Stonehenge to the majestic Scottish Highlands, the United Kingdom offers a unique blend of old and new, tradition and innovation. As we delve into the heart of the UK, we'll uncover the stories etched into its historic sites, marvel at the breathtaking scenery that unfolds across its landscapes, and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of its cultural life. So buckle up and get ready to explore the mesmerizing United Kingdom. Our journey begins with a step back in time, exploring the historic sites of Stonehenge, the Roman Baths, and the Tower of London. Let's start with Stonehenge. This prehistoric marvel, nestled in the English countryside, has been shrouded in mystery for centuries. No one really knows why it was built, but it's speculated to have been a sacred place of worship and celebration. Imagine the ancient people, patiently placing each stone in perfect alignment with the sun and moon. Stonehenge is indeed a testament to our ancestors' ingenuity and spiritual depth. Next, we tread upon the ancient stones of the Roman Baths in the city of Bath. These ornate thermal spas, constructed by the Romans around the 1st century AD, were once a hub of social and religious activity. Picture the Romans lounging in the steaming waters discussing politics and philosophy as the scent of exotic oils wafts through the air. Even today, the baths remain a symbol of the great Roman Empire's love for leisure and sophistication. Our final stop takes us to the heart of London, to the formidable Tower of London. This historic castle, with its imposing white towers, has served many roles throughout history. It has been a royal palace, a treasury, a prison, and even a zoo. But perhaps its most renowned role is as the home of the crown jewels. Picture the glittering diamonds, rubies, and sapphires, symbols of royal power and prestige, safely guarded within the tower's thick stone walls. Behind every corner of this iconic fortress lurks a story of power, betrayal, and intrigue. These aren't just buildings or structures, they are the pillars of history. They've stood the test of time, bearing witness to the evolution of civilization. Each stone, each artifact, each corner is steeped in history, whispering tales of the past into the ears of the present. These landmarks offer more than just a glimpse into the past. They provide a sense of connection, a link to our ancestors and their lives. They challenge us to reflect on our own place in the grand tapestry of time. How will our actions echo in the annals of history? How will future generations remember us? So, whether you're a history buff, a lover of architecture, or simply curious about the past, these historic sites offer a wealth of exploration and discovery. They're not just tourist attractions, they're gateways to the past, inviting us to step back in time and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of human history. These historic landmarks, standing firm through time, narrate the fascinating tales of the UK's past. Now let us immerse ourselves in the breathtaking natural beauty of the Scottish Highlands, the Lake District, and the Cornish coasts. Imagine, if you will, the Scottish Highlands. Picture rugged terrain, majestic mountains, and deep glens veiled in mist. This is a land where eagles soar above tranquil lochs and deer roam freely through heather-clad hills. The Highlands are truly a place to reconnect with nature, best visited during the warmer months of May to September. Come, capture the golden sunrise over the Glencoe Mountains, or the breathtaking spectacle of the northern lights dancing in the night sky. Now let's journey south to the Lake District. Nestled amidst the mountains is a patchwork of shimmering lakes and green valleys, a picture-perfect postcard that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. The Lake District is a haven for walkers and climbers, with paths meandering through idyllic villages and past ancient stone circles. The soft light of early morning or late afternoon makes it a photographer's dream. And remember, no matter the season, the Lake District offers an ever-changing display of natural beauty. Finally, we find ourselves at the Cornish coasts, a place where turquoise waters meet golden sands and rugged cliffs stand as ancient guardians of the sea. The enchanting fishing villages dotting the coastline are a testament to Cornwall's maritime heritage. The best time to visit? Summer, of course, when you can bask in the sun, explore the hidden coves, and let the symphony of crashing waves serenade you. Each of these landscapes has its own unique charm. The Scottish Highlands, with their wild, untamed beauty, invite you to explore and dream. The Lake District, with its serene vistas, calls you to pause and reflect, and the Cornish coasts, with their blend of warmth and drama, beckon you to discover and play. Indeed, the UK's landscapes are a feast for the eyes, a sanctuary for the soul. One can't help but feel a deep sense of peace and contentment here, amidst the grandeur of nature. So come, breathe in the fresh air, feel the wind in your hair, and let the natural wonders of the UK captivate your heart. Culture and tradition are the lifeblood of any country. The UK is no exception, with its rich food, music, and festivals. The United Kingdom boasts a vibrant culture that's as diverse as its history is long. One cannot truly experience Britain without diving into the delicious world of British cuisine. It's more than just fish and chips, you know. Picture this: flaky Cornish pasties, hearty Sunday roasts, and the sweet bliss of a traditional scone with clotted cream and strawberry jam. And let's not forget the cultural institution that is the afternoon tea, a delightful ritual that's been a staple of British life since the mid-18th century. And when we talk about British culture, we can't ignore the music scene. From the classical tunes of Edward Elgar to the iconic sounds of the Beatles and the Rolling Stones, and even the modern beats of Stormzy and Dua Lipa, the UK has always been a hub for musical innovation and inspiration. But what's culture without a bit of celebration? Festivals in the UK are a riot of colour, music and merriment. Imagine the lively dance and music of the Notting Hill Carnival, the quirky cheese-rolling event in Gloucestershire, or the grandeur of the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival. Each event is a unique blend of tradition and modernity, and a testament to the country's vibrant cultural life. And let's not forget the humble British pub. These traditional watering holes have been the cornerstone of British communities for centuries. More than just a place for a pint, they are a social centre where stories are shared, friendships are formed, and the hustle and bustle of life is momentarily set aside. So don't just stick to the tourist trail. Venture into the local markets, tap your feet to the rhythm of British music, join the locals in their celebrations, and enjoy a pint in a cosy pub. Experience the UK not just as a tourist but as a local, immersing in its rich and lively culture. So experience the UK not just as a tourist but as a local, immersing in its rich and lively culture. Scene script. Armed with these insights, are you ready to embark on your own UK journey? Now that you've been introduced to the rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture of the United Kingdom, all that's left is to plan your trip. Deciding when to visit is your first step. Each season in the UK paints a different picture. Spring bursts with blooming flowers and mild temperatures, perfect for exploring city streets and historic sites. Summer, on the other hand, is a great time to enjoy the beautiful beaches of Cornwall or the breathtaking Scottish Highlands. Autumn ushers in a riot of colours, offering a spectacular backdrop for walks in the Lake District or Cotswolds. Winter, while chilly, transforms the UK into a festive wonderland, especially in the run-up to Christmas. Next, let's talk about getting around. The United Kingdom boasts an extensive public transportation system, from iconic red double-decker buses and black cabs in London to efficient trains that traverse the length and breadth of the country. Getting from point A to point B is a breeze. And for those picturesque countryside vistas, consider renting a car for maximum flexibility. As for where to rest your head after a day of exploration, the United Kingdom offers a wide array of accommodations to suit every budget. From luxury hotels and historic castles turned B&Bs to self-catering cottages and city centre hostels, you'll find a cosy spot to call home during your stay. But remember, the best travel plans are those that leave room for spontaneity. The magic of the UK often lies in the unexpected, a hidden gem of a cafe, a charming local market, a serendipitous encounter with history, or a stunning vista just around the corner. So, pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and set off to explore the wonders of the United Kingdom. The adventure awaits.